turn your taskbar into a slick music-powered experience. Imagine controlling your music without opening a single window while a stunning visualizer brings your audio to life. These can be done easily with FluentFlyout. Now, before we get into the installation, first of all, we have to hide this widget. Right click on your taskbar, go to taskbar settings. Now we're going to disable this widget. Go right here to disable it. Once we're done with that, X on it. Now we're going to head onto the website to download and install this FluentFlyout. Scroll right here. And here we have the option to download from the Microsoft Store, but we're not going to do that. If you scroll up a bit here, you're going to see these releases. On the right side here, click on latest. Again, scroll down here. Let's click on this link to download the zip file. Head on to the file location. In my case, the downloads. I'm going to extract this file. Highlight on it. Click on extract all. Click extract. I'm going to open the system files. First of all, we're going to install the FluentFlyout MSIX, the one with the security certificate. Highlight on it, right click on it, select install certificate. Click open. Select local machine, because I'm using a local machine. Click on next. Select yes if notified. Now you want to choose this option that says place all certificates in the following store. Click on browse. Select trusted root certificate authorities. Click OK. Click next. Then click on finish. It says the import was successful. Click on OK. Once we're done with that, head on to the MSIX bundle file. Double click on this one right here. Click on install. So this is the home page for the FluentFlyout. We're going to make some changes here in the settings. First of all, we're going to enable the taskbar widget. Click on the taskbar widget and enable it. There we have it. So head on back to the media flyout. Under the background blur, I'm just going to choose style 3. Here we have this compact layout. If you enable this, you can see that we have this compact and slim widget. But if I disable it, we have something that is a bit more bulky than the previous one. So I'm just going to leave it like this. And here we have the flyout position. By default, your flyout comes from the bottom left, so you can actually change the position. Like if I put it on the bottom center, it comes to the center. If I put it at the bottom right, you have it on the right. If I change it to the top left, it's going to be right here. So I'm just going to leave it at the bottom left. Enable the center title and artist, and if you go right here, you can see that this artist name goes to the center as opposed to it just being on the left side there. So if you enable that, you get the name of the artist and the title of the song in the middle, which is better. Shuffle button, we have nothing to do here. Enable the show sick bar. By doing that, it opens this slide control here, which enables you to slide through the timing of your music. If you go back to the taskbar widget to ensure this is enabled to start with, and as for the widget position, here is where you can change the position of your widget. If I put it in the center, which is not looking good, I can actually put it on the bottom right, but I prefer it to be on the left, so I'm just going to leave it at the bottom left. For those using multiple display, this is where you choose where you want the effect to take place. And if we scroll down here to background blur, just enable background blur. Now you can see that we have this cool blur effect on the background of the player, and you can actually hide completely when no media is present. If you enable this media is going to disappear anytime you're not playing music or anything that requires the media player. So I'm just going to leave that enabled. So next to the taskbar visualizer, toggle this on to enable the visualizer. While I'm speaking, you can see some movement going on there, and if you go right here, you can actually change the position as well to bottom left if you want. Of course, I want it to be on the right side. So you can slide here to change the bar count. I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to leave it on 12. Okay, as for the center bars, if you enable this, you can see the style of the visualizer has changed. So this actually depends on your personal preference, how you want your visualizer to be styled. You can actually show the baseline. So because I don't want the line to be showing whenever the visualizer is not active, I'm going to disable this one right here. Audio sensitivity, I'm going to leave it the way it is. Audio peak threshold, I'm going to leave it this way. And if you go to the system, there's nothing much to be done here actually. So how do you get rid of this application if you don't need it anymore? So you right click on here, go to installed apps. Right here you want to search for FluentFlyout. Navigate to the right side here. click on the three dots and select uninstall. Click uninstall again. So now as you can see, we're back to the default taskbar. So that's how you get rid of this application. So that's gonna be all for now, guys. If you like what I'm doing here, give this video a like and also subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day and peace out.